Welcome back to my channel Car Updater King. Based on the image, the car is a Morris Minor. Model: Morris Minor. Production years: 1948-1971. Manufacturer: Morris Motor Company, United Kingdom. Design: body style: primarily a 4-door saloon sedan, but also available as a 2-door utility, traveler, estate, and van. Distinctive features: teardrop-shaped body design, large windows, and a split windscreen, later replaced by a single-piece windshield. Engine: typically a 4-cylinder engine with various displacements and power outputs. Transmission: initially a 3-speed manual, later upgraded to 4-speed. Other features: independent front suspension, live rear axle with leaf springs, hydraulic drum brakes, later upgraded to disc brakes on the front, and available in a range of colors. Popularity and legacy: highly successful, known for reliability, affordability, and practicality. It was one of the best-selling British cars and influenced subsequent models. In the image, the car appears to be a Series 2 model, based on the teardrop-shaped body and split windscreen. The license plate, 75/95 inches, is likely a prop for the event. Additional notes: exported worldwide, including Pakistan. Played a significant role in post-war Britain, providing affordable transportation. Remains a beloved classic car and is highly sought after by collectors. Let me know if you have any further questions.